Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to stop Notepad from reopening previous tabs in Windows 11. So when I open Notepad, you can see that it automatically reopens my previous tabs and unsaved notes. If you are like me and prefer Notepad to start with a fresh blank page every time, then this quick Windows 11 tips is for you. Let's fix it. First, open Notepad. As you can see, Notepad has restored my previously opened tabs automatically. This happened because Notepad is set to continue the previous session. To sense this behavior, click the setting icon on the top right corner. Then scroll to the section called When Notepad Starts. Click on this drop down arrow. Currently, it is selected as Continue Previous Session. Now, select the second option. That's it. The setting is saved automatically. Now, close Notepad. Now, let's reopen Notepad. This time Notepad starts with a fresh blank page instead of reopening my previous tabs and unsaved notes. So if Notepad keeps reopening all tabs and you want to clean start every time, simply switch to start up option to start new session and discard unsaved changes. I hope this quick Windows 11 tips help you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more Windows tips and tricks.